Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to build a live stream with real-time live chat using the FastPix live streaming API and PubNub. How do you add live chat to a live stream? With one HTML file, FastPix takes your broadcast in over RTMPS and delivers low-latency LL-HLS playback. PubNub moves the chat messages between viewers. We're following the FastPix and PubNub tutorial on screen, linked below. Quick prerequisites: a FastPix account, a PubNub account, and OBS Studio, the free broadcasting software. Start by logging into the FastPix dashboard. Pick the workspace you want to stream from. Then, under Video, open Live and create your live stream. Every FastPix live stream comes with three things: a stream key that authenticates your encoder, an RTMPS ingest URL with SRT supported too, and a public playback ID, which builds your LL-HLS playback URL. Keep this page handy, we'll copy from it twice. Now the chat side. Head to PubNub and log into the admin portal. Under Apps and Key Sets, open your app and copy two values, the publish key and the subscribe key. Make sure presence is enabled on the key set. That's what powers the live viewer count. Back in the tutorial, here's the plan. Create the stream in FastPix, get the video playing in the browser, add PubNub chat next to it, then go live from OBS and watch messages fly between two browser windows. Open OBS Studio or any standard encoder. vMix, Wirecast, and FFmpeg all speak RTMP. In Settings, choose Stream, set the service to Custom, paste the FastPix RTMPS server URL, then paste your stream key. Click OK. OBS is now pointed at FastPix ingest. The tutorial builds the page piece by piece: the chat panel markup, the PubNub connection, the message handlers. We'll take the shortcut. Scroll to the complete file and hit copy. In your editor, create an empty index.html and paste the whole thing in. This one file holds the player, the chat panel, the styles, and the logic. Two edits make it yours. First, find the FastPix player component and paste your playback ID. Notice the setup. Stream type is Livestream, muted, autoplay. So playback starts the moment the broadcast is up. The player is the FastPix web component loaded from a CDN with LL-HLS handled for you. Second, drop in your PubNub publish and subscribe keys and leave the channel set to live stream. Each viewer gets a random ID, so chat works without logins. Serve the file. Live server in VS Code works great. And here's the page. Player on the left, live chat on the right, a presence badge counting viewers. Until the encoder connects, there's no valid stream to attach to, which is exactly what the player is telling us. That changes the second we go live. Open the same URL in a second incognito window, so it counts as a fresh viewer. Presence ticks up to 2 watching. PubNub is already delivering, even before the video starts. Start streaming in OBS, then check the dashboard. The stream status flips to active. FastPix has picked up the RTMPS feed and is transcoding it for low-latency delivery. And there it is. The player locks onto the live stream. The live badge lights up, and glass-to-glass latency stays low enough for real conversation. Send a message in one window, and it lands in the other instantly, viewer to viewer, right next to the live video. The second viewer catches the same broadcast and replies. That's the whole experience: low-latency live video from FastPix, real-time chat from PubNub, one HTML file holding both. Stop streaming in OBS and the player returns to idle with the chat history intact. From here, you can turn on auto archive so every broadcast becomes an on-demand replay, simulcast to YouTube and Twitch, or clip highlights mid-event. The link to the full tutorial and our live streaming docs is below for further perusal. Try free at fastpix.com and ship video faster today.